and welcome back to My Nerdy Kitchen. I'm Desi, and I'm gonna be your chef today. Your real chef is not available today, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make burgers like my mama did. We got them patties. You gotta have some fresh patties. You gotta have some tomatoes. You gotta have some lettuce, and don't forget that cheese now. Can I help you? Well, hi, how you doing? I'm Desi. I'm going to be cooking today. You do understand that this is called My Nerdy Kitchen and not Your Country Kitchen, right? Well, yeah. I understand. I understand how this typically works. I know it's called My Nerdy Kitchen, but I'm not a nerd. And I want a burger. A good old hamburger. You hear me? Well, I can cook one for you if you want. I have a good recipe. Oh. You can cook one for me? Yeah. Fantastic. Alright, y'all. Well, the real lady is here. So I'm going to say good day to y'all. And I'm going to come back when she's done. Because, I want a burger. I love me some burgers. Burgers are so good. Okay, get out of my kitchen. Go sit. Alright. Bye, y'all.
For this, you will need ground beef, tomato sauce, breadcrumbs, 2 large eggs, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and not pictured is 1 onion and whatever toppings you want on your burger.
Alright, y'all, so the nice lady over yonder, the one cooking, has allowed me to read where this recipe comes from. It is called the Paddington Burgers. And at this time in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, chapter 5, Harry has been whisked away to Paddington Station with Hagrid after being told that he was a wizard and he was famous and all this other stuff. And so now he's eating a burger because he has there's a lot to think about. And now for some history facts according to the book. Although historians may not know who actually invented the hamburger, they do know that the hamburger was first created in Hamburg, Germany. So it has nothing to do with ham, which is weird because ham's delicious.
First things first is you are going to take your onion, hopefully yours is not frozen like mine was, place that into a skillet and let it get browned and sauteed. Give that a little stir. And then in a separate bowl, you're going to add all of your ingredients together. That is your ground beef, your 2 eggs, your tablespoon of onion powder, your half teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, your 1 cup of breadcrumbs, as well as the sauteed onions that you have cooked up. Add those into the bowl. Once you do that, you can add in your half cup of tomato sauce. Give this all a good mix until it looks something like this. Prep your skillet with a little bit of butter and you're heating it up to medium-high heat. Shape your patties and give them a couple minutes before you flip them. I actually ended up flipping mine a little bit too early, but that's okay.
Hey, nerdy chef, how's the burger looking?
Get out, Desi, now.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Once your burgers are nice and browned on both sides, it is time to prep. This can really be done however you want to, but I decided to do mustard, tomato, and some cheese melted on top. And there you have it, the Paddington Burger straight from Harry Potter in the Sorcerer's Stone, Chapter 5.
Well, thank you kindly, ma'am. I really appreciate it. Oh, looks good. It looks good, Miss Chef. All right, let's try it. Well, I'll be this here Paddington Burger. It's gem. It is a gem. It is delicious. I highly recommend it. Yep. Y'all need to try this here burger. Follow along. Give the Nerdy Chef over yonder a like, a subscribe, and a share. I know she'll mighty appreciate it. All right, y'all. I'm going to finish my burger here, and then I've been giving cleanup duty for the kitchen. So, good day to y'all, and we'll see you next time, all right? Here, come back, y'all. Come back now, all right? We'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.